Alright, so in this video, let's talk a little bit about the same decision tree I developed in the last video, but let's look at it from a different front-end tool. Let's look at it from Excel. So you can see the same things. Let's look at our mining model, mining viewer. You can see the same thing here that the person developing this, the BI architect, if you will, if you're a power user. If you have a connection to the analysis server behind this via Excel. So let's take a look at what we have to do first. The first thing we've got to do is find it. And if you want, you could just Google this, the data mining add-in for Excel. You download it, you install it. And when do I have it open? No, so let's open up Excel first and take a look at it. So, let's go to the local. This is the data mining, what you get when you first install it. And you can read all this. I'm not going to sit here and read this to you, but this has got some sample data sets to work with. And we come over here and we see we've got a new tab here, and that's the data mining tab. So when we click on this data mining tab, what we have exposed to us are a lot of the same functionality as those developing the model do. So let's take a look at that. So the first thing one of the requirements for Excel is that you must have a connection to analysis services. So let's do that. Let's come up here and you can see I've created a connection to my analysis services. This is the analysis services server. So over here you can see I have my analysis service installed, and you can see we are looking at the decision tree. All right, so that's what we're connected to. Let's go back to Excel. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Once we have the connection, we can browse whatever cluster. I created a cluster one. We can browse the target just like we can. It's the exact same one that's here. Let's come back over to, that's it. So if I wanted to browse this, we could browse it. And we can see we have our decision tree. Now, the same thing here we have in Excel. So let's take a look at Excel. Let's do the same thing. So let's go to the target mail. Let's go next. And now, voila, we have the same thing, almost the identical screen for looking at our decision tree. Same thing, we get the cases, the buyers. Here we have the buyers, we can see relationship, we can see number of cases. Very cool. If you are an Excel power user, this is awesome. All right, you can create some of the same things. You can create an accuracy chart, which is to the data warehouse people, a lift chart. All right, to determine the accuracy of your model. And it's the same thing. All right, it's the same thing that we see if we were to come over here and create a lift chart. All right, where is our lift chart? Where is our lift chart? Oh, I don't know. But it's the exact same thing that we see when we create a lift chart. It's mining accuracy 1, 1, 1. Use mining test cases, lift chart. There it is. He was hiding on me. You can see it's the exact same thing that we see here, that you see in Excel. All right, is that not awesome or what? So the Excel add-in adds a lot of the functionality that BI developers have when they're actually creating the various trees and models that you do, as long as you have a connection to an analysis service server. All right, go back to Excel. Again, let's close the browsing. Let's come here and let's close the lift chart. No, that's not because that will close it out. Let's go back to the introduction, the beginning page, and so we've got our new data mining tab. All right, so take advantage of that. It's really cool. This will walk you through, if you're not familiar with setting up an analysis service server, this will walk you through what you can do in order to kind of fast track you getting started with this. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.